Welcome. If you want to disconnect Fake AirPods Pro from your Apple Watch, at first you have to go for the settings on your Apple Watch. You have to reach the Bluetooth settings. And as you can see, when I open charging case, our AirPods are going to be connected. As you can see right now, they are connected. So what we have to do right now, we have to leave this open. We have to leave this case open, then click right here on the icon of the information. And then we have to click to forget the device right here. So click, then you have to swipe and click to forget the device. As you can see right now, they are not connected anymore. And we can pair them with another device. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!